Hello family, welcome back to the channel, home of the RLC community and home of the Patreon that offers the most value out there. When you join the Patreon, you will see our pinned pre-sales up there, okay, that has not even launched yet. And so you will also see, not only will you see our pinned pre-sales, but you will also see our two startups that we also have posted also, okay? So the links will be in the description and in the comments. You can also check out the merch. Those links will be in the description and the comment also. So look, everything is in the green right now, okay? We could be setting up for a bull run, okay? Now, the Capitol Hill has been making economy moves out here. And the thing is this, when Capitol Hill makes their economy moves out here, you have a lot of the masses go into panic mode. And you got to understand, a lot of these individuals, we have more conventional investors than unconventional investors out there. So the thing is this, a lot of those masses also are not educated in how the hill works. They just take everything as face value, okay? They make all the decisions based off negativity, and you get a lot of individuals going to panic mode, and that also affects the markets, not only the crypto market, but it affects the stock market also. Usually when the hill makes their economy moves, you get the masses that panic negatively. Now, Chairman Powell, he had a meeting. Now, after he came out of that meeting, and he introduced the rate hikes, crypto actually went up. It actually amazed me because usually, like I said, we get negative responses when it comes to the crypto market and Capitol Hill. But despite the rate hikes, okay, which was actually small, it was not big rate hikes like in the past. Despite the rate hikes, we had positive reactions within the investing community. Usually the masses react negatively, especially when Capitol Hill mentions something, especially mentioning something that the masses do not understand, and especially when you get things such as rate hikes, okay? Because you got to understand this, inflation, this is on top of the this is actually on top of the inflation, okay? Inflation has been kicking our tails lately, but I believe that a lot of the masses have been responding kind of positively to it and have been taking it like a champ, okay? So, nobody wants to hear about a rate hike when you already got inflation going on. But I think people are looking more into the future of this. I believe that individuals are starting to open their eyes. They're starting not to think blindly. I think individuals are starting to look at the fact that, not only are we getting, not only is this rate hike small, but, it was also mentioned on the Hill that future rate hikes will also be small. It will be nothing big like we had in the past. So I think individuals are looking at more in the future, and they're saying, well, hey, maybe this just won't be, that bad for us. And, the thing is this, we also have to take into account that, with smaller rate hikes coming in the future, we also have to take into the account that rate hikes might actually come back down, okay, in the future also. So the smaller rate hikes and the fact that rate hikes might come back down in the future, as well as, inflation, inflation will not last long. So these three right here, it actually softens the blow, not for just the public, but the investors also. So I know it seems like a lot is on our plate, but I think we are handling it well. And, that is actually a good thing. It also tells me that a lot of the masses out there are thinking for themselves. All right, now there is another meeting coming up in a month or so. So hopefully nothing too crazy comes out of that, because we want this positivity to stay on the up. We want it to stay on the up, so we will see what comes out of that meeting on the Hill. You guys know me. I am very familiar with the Hill. I worked around the Hill and all that. I know how a lot of those individuals work out up there. So the market is not only moving positive, which is the crypto market, but this is actually moving positive with the stock market. Okay, so we're not just talking about crypto. We're talking about the overall picture of investing. Okay, when everything is moving positively like this, it goes hand in hand. All right, so that's what we like to see. We have not seen that in a minute, but I just want to prepare you. I want to prepare you. You have to be prepared when a profit pulling wave comes. Okay, so when a profit pulling wave comes, you know, that remains to be seen how much damage that will do. Hopefully it will not do as much damage, but we are in the green in the crypto space and in the stock market space. So be prepared for that profit pulling wave. That wave will come. Okay, so if we look here, look, everything's up. Bitcoin is pushing 40, Ethereum is pushing 3K. And also look at Cardano here. Cardano's trying to reach that dollar again. Cardano received a lot of FUD. Okay, they received a lot of FUD. Okay, but Cardano has come a long way. Remember, I got into Cardano 4 years ago at launch. I'm not worried about Cardano, but everything is up. Solana is up. BNB, XRP is up. Everything is up. Even Dogecoin is up. Although I don't know if Dogecoin will get to the highs that they once were. Okay, and you also have Avalanche up and Polkadot up. So look, the thing is this, everything right now, we could be going into a bull run, and I hope a lot of individuals during their downtime were doing research, okay, and investing based on their research. Okay, I hope we just did not sit on our hands, okay, during our downtime, because now everything is going into a positive trend. Okay, the economy also, not the economy, but the economy, but the investing economy is going into a positive trend. So I hope you put in some work. Okay, but anyway, the community is looking great. Okay, I think we're setting up for a bull run, and I mean an official bull run, not those small bull runs that always psych people out. Okay, I'm talking about that crypto market that was all about that tomfoolery. Okay, it gave you one small bull run indication, and then it pulled back. Individuals got their hopes up and it only came crashing down the burn. All right, so I think everything is looking good. Like I said, keep your eye on that profit pulling wave because it is coming. Do not get upset. Okay, that's just normal. What goes up must come down, but I think we have the ability to go up. And not only continue up, but maybe go sideways, vertical up, who knows, okay? But I think this is a change, and yeah, I'm very excited. All right, and keep your eye on the market. So remember also, every now is what? History tomorrow, okay? So every now is history tomorrow, and you either have patience in this investing space or you lose in the end. This is my video outie.